Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Ethereum. Hope you're having a great weekend, or start of the weekend, at least in the beginning. But in this video, we'll focus on Ethereum, which yesterday, as most of you know, there's quite a lot to talk about because yesterday we had quite a severe pullback, I guess you could say. Some argue it would be a little bit of a crash. I'm not sure yet, but alright, so that happened. We'll talk about why that happened. We'll talk about what's most likely to happen from here, because even though we got that pullback, we're still right now, I mean, if you take a look at the price, you could still say actually that we are still in this impulse wave, which we talked about yesterday, but that we just pulled back like quite a bit, and that we are going to have that fifth wave at some point of time. At the beginning of next week. You could argue that because if you actually take a look at the retracement that we had off of this bullish move, then sure, we broke down below the 0.618 FIB, but then we actually regained it as a support. Like, we're on top of it right now. We had a bullish breakout, and it's our support again. So yeah, but we'll just do a full update. Also, some fundamentals we'll cover, but before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals in my own trading signal group, as you can also see from the top, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Alright, so if we take a look at Ethereum, yesterday, or at least the last 2 days, we had a lot of bullish momentum because of obviously XRP and stuff. And then yesterday we had quite a big pullback. I think mainly, I think it was this big mainly because it was a Friday. Friday is notorious as the day where big traders, so that's institutions, market makers, where they close their positions. Alright, so if they close their positions and the market is bullish, then that's probably going to cause a crash because they probably are in long positions, and that's going to cause the price to dump. So that happened, and that's also why we dropped down this much. But now, like I said, we have had a little bit of bullish confirmation by breaking above that 0.618 FIB again. So the biggest question now is, can we actually continue this bullish momentum? Can we actually continue some sort of an Elliott wave theory? Because this was this was a beautiful first wave and a beautiful third wave. Now the fourth wave, the correction. All right, we're back, at least for now. So what I wanted to say, I had to sneeze. I'm a little bit sick this morning. But the fourth wave was a little bit too much of a pullback, alright? So I'm not sure if technically this still counts. The only way I could be sure is if we actually get more bullish confirmation, alright? So right now, our main resistance level is 1950 and 1945, mainly 1945. So what we need to do is break above that, alright? If we break above that, we'll probably find resistance at 1975 and consolidate here. But then I would still be convinced that the market structure is bullish and that we can actually get up to 2075 and perhaps afterwards up to 2140. So that's the main thing to look out for right now, because if we are not able to break above 1945, what's going to happen then is that then we actually did have a significant pullback, and then it becomes increasingly more likely that we'll have another pullback down to this level right here at 1840, which would mean that we are in a consolidation again. Like, we also had a move like this, right? We were in a consolidation, quite a volatile one. Then we had a big bullish breakout, and then we dived right back into that. So that's a possibility. And it all is about breaking above 1945 or not. That's the main thing. That's the main thing to look out for. I would say we need to break above that in the next 24 hours. If we can do so, we're still bullish. If not, we are actually going to drop down. So at this point of time, I do think it's more likely that we will get a bullish breakout. But in the end, we'll still have to see. And it's better in circumstances like these to wait for confirmation. So that's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.